side. I hope you all liked my previous video. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, so please do like and subscribe my channel. Moving forward, in today's video, I'm going to make a Maa Durga mud art painting. For that, I'm using several things. So now, I'm going to introduce all of these things to you. The first one is a Faber-Castell canvas board. Here I am using a 8:10 inches of board. Another one is a Fabicryl acrylic colors. And another thing which is important is a Fabicryl molded. For mixing the colors, I am using here a mixing palette and my brushes. And another one is a molding tools for shaping the muds or molds. And for cutting and shaping, I'm also using this cute cutter. So let's start the video.